Hi everyone, welcome back to Brilliant Tech, and today's quick tutorial I will show you how to update Google Chrome on your Windows PC to make sure you are running the latest version with all the newest features and security. Step 1. Open Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Access Setting Menu. Next, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down, select Help about Google Chrome. Step 3. Check for updates. Here, Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, it will start downloading right away. Step 4. Relaunch Chrome. Once update finished, you will see a button that says relaunch. Click it and Chrome will restart with the latest version installed. And that's it. You have successfully updated Google Chrome on Windows. Keeping your browser up to date ensures faster performance and stronger security. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.